Are you looking for the best 2-in-1 laptops? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best 2-in-1 laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i14, 2023. A great 2-in-1 laptop is perfect for budget-conscious buyers, offering both laptop and tablet capability at an affordable price. The Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i14 is a versatile 2-in-1 laptop, and even better for note-takers who want to write notes or draw with a pen. The 14-inch display is the right size for portability and convertible use. The 13-hour battery life will carry you through a full day, and the Intel Core i5-1335U offers power for both projects and entertainment. Throw in a useful collection of ports and a 1080p webcam, and it's our favorite convertible laptop for budget shoppers. Anyone seeking a budget-friendly 2-in-1 convertible will appreciate the portability, performance, and better-than-average features of the Ideapad Flex 5i14. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The Intel Core-based version of the Surface Pro 9 is the best detachable tablet around thanks to its impressive performance, outstanding battery life, and pen-friendly 3:2 aspect ratio screen. The latest model of the class leader merges the iconic Surface Pro design, honed over many generations, with up-to-date hardware and improved battery life. With a sleek design, upgradable storage, and 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, the Surface Pro 9 is easily the most capable tablet-style 2-in-1 on the market, and our favorite Windows detachable, the Pro 9 is ideal for users who want a versatile tablet-first device for work, entertainment, on-the-go productivity, or intuitive note-taking. The tablet's superb digital inking will appeal to pen and stylus fans, while the excellent keyboard accessories and docking solutions make it a practical laptop replacement too, though those bits cost extra. Microsoft follows the iPad model and doesn't bundle the keyboard and stylus with its slate as some vendors do. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Go 3. Still on sale despite its release in 2021, the Surface Go 3 has survived many competitors that have arrived only to quickly fizzle out and disappear. Naturally, even with the advanced Intel Core i3 processor option over the Pentium entry-level variant, this tablet's performance won't blow you away. However, it comes with so many pros, including a shiny and vivid display, a sturdy metal kickstand in a lightweight build, an SD card reader, and a long-lasting battery, that it's no surprise Microsoft's still selling this version. If you're on a tight budget or are buying a tablet for a young student, this is the top tablet to consider in your search. While it doesn't include the keyboard cover, which will add to the cost, the Surface Go 3 persists in a subcategory without much competition. Lucky for you, this is the most plush-feeling Windows tablet at such a low price. Number 4. HP Spectre X 36014, 2024. If you're frequently finding yourself in Zoom calls or working from home, take a look at the 2024 edition of the HP Spectre X 36014. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning OLED display, which not only looks sharp but gives you touchscreen capability as well. Next, the 4K webcam will draw you in, and the included software helps you look your best. Soon enough, you'll notice this convertible 2-in-1's peppy performance and lengthy battery life. If you need to stay productive and make a positive virtual impression, the Spectre X 36014 is an ideal choice for grab-and-go productivity and versatility. If you're a professional working remotely, whether that means daily work from home or just joining meetings from the road, You'll find the Spectre X 36014 among the best consumer convertibles we've seen to date. The OLED display, the 4K webcam, and the top-notch performance from Intel's latest Core Ultra processors make this a favorite for frequent video calls and getting stuff done. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. When it comes to 2-in-1 laptops, you won't find many that are built specifically for creative work. Even those with powerful processing and a dedicated GPU will stick to the same designs as standard clamshell/tablet hybrids. But the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 is substantially different, welding powerful hardware to a unique pull-forward folding display with 120 Hz refresh rate that's ideal for drawing and drafting in comfort. Under the hood is a potent combination of the latest Intel and NVIDIA hardware, complete with dedicated AI processing for accelerating a host of creature comfort features in video calls. With an effortless rechargeable pen and performance that smoothly handles any art or video task, it's easy to see this is the best 2-in-1 for creators, anyone who wants to draw, note, or get hands-on with their digital media will appreciate the Surface Laptop Studio 2 for its 3-mode, touch and pen-friendly design, not to mention the high-performance hardware inside. If you value the convenience and utility of a drafting tablet but need the power of a larger professional creator laptop, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is unmatched. Number 6. Acer Chromebook Spin 514, 2023. The 2023 edition of Acer's Chromebook Spin 514 stands out as the best Chrome OS 2-in-1 laptop by combining a rugged yet flexible design with category-leading AMD processing power. With features like a full HD webcam and helpful connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6 and an HDMI monitor port, this versatile Chromebook easily handles everything from web browsing to Google Workspace productivity and is even up to some modest web-based media creation and editing. A generous 13-hour battery life keeps you confident when away from wall outlets, and its sturdy aluminum build favors frequent travelers. The Spin 514 is an adaptable and high-performing convertible that leads the Chromebook pack with its polished build and first-class performance. Both students and small business pros can benefit from Acer's well-built, well-equipped laptop/tablet hybrid. Its peppy AMD CPU and impressive battery life make it a sure bet to convert anyone who's been burned by a cheap, low-end Chromebook.